souls dance at the edge of the sky like two comets. Love is honey. Your laughter splits the air like lightning. It splashes the darkness with a flash. I hold you tight in my bursts. Our shadows dance on death, you and I, shooting stars with our cries. The rushing life, piercing the clouds of spring. The universe sings every moment. Constellations in your eyes, a kaleidoscope of emotion. The jealous galaxies, we are silent. Time collapses in our reasons. We land on the Milky Way, a gentle breath, eternity. Our dreams weave stars for tomorrow. The heavens bow